Hi, and welcome to Frooty List, the best grocery shopping list app available on all your favorite mobile devices. With Frooty List app, you can quickly create, share, and analyze your everyday shopping lists. To create a new list, simply tap the bouncy plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Name your list and hit the Create button. Voila! You've just created your first shopping list. But wait, the list is empty. How can you add products to your list, you're asking? Now this is super simple. Just type in product names in the input bar at the bottom of the screen and tap enter. Or you can tap the microphone icon and say out loud item names. Frooty List will automatically recognize your voice and add items to the list. How cool is that? No matter how you do it, new items are added to the bottom of the list. And as you can see, all of them are conveniently numbered to show you how big the list is. Sharing a list and working on it together with other people is equally easy. To share a list, first make sure that the person you want to share the list with has Frooty List app installed on their device. They must also have signed into the app at least once. To sign into Frooty List, simply tap the sign in button in the settings. Then, to share a single list, tap the people icon above the list name and enter the username of the person you are sharing the list with. Tap share. That's all. The list will show up in other person's Frooty List app within seconds. Now that the list is synced, no matter who edits it, the other person will instantly see the changes that are being made. Well done. Now you can go to the store and start shopping. In future videos, you will learn how to use Frooty List at the store to make your shopping easier and how to analyze your shopping habits. Now go and install Frooty List, the best grocery shopping list app available on all your favorite mobile devices.